It's 1869. The U.S. economy was a chaotic free-for-all, a high-stakes game where fortunes were made and lost on the value of one thing: gold. And two of the biggest financial titans of the era, Jay Gould and James Fisk, decide they want to own it all. They hatched a plan so audacious it sounds like something from a movie. Their scheme was simple, yet absolutely insane. Buy up all the available gold in the country. The U.S. government at the time didn't regulate the gold market heavily, so they saw a massive opportunity. They believed that by creating a monopoly, they could corner the market and force the price to astronomical levels. So they started buying, in secret at first, then more and more brazenly. Day after day, the price of gold skyrocketed. It climbed from $130 to over $160 in just a few days. The entire nation's economy depended on the price of gold. It was the bedrock for all trade and commerce. Everyone was freaking out. Businesses couldn't set prices, imports became impossible, and the whole system was on the brink of collapse. All eyes were on President Ulysses S. Grant. The pressure on him was immense. The public and prominent businessmen begged him to intervene, to do something before the entire economy crumbled. Grant was in a tough spot. He knew if he flooded the market with government gold reserves, the price would crash. But if he didn't, Gould and Fisk's scheme would destroy the financial system. To make matters worse, Gould and Fisk had a spy in the White House. Grant's own brother-in-law, Abel Corbin, was on their payroll and was feeding them information. They believed they had the president under control, but they were wrong. On the morning of Friday, September 24th, 1869, President Grant made a decision that would send shockwaves across the nation. He ordered the U.S. Treasury to sell $4 million in government gold, a massive, unprecedented amount. The news hit the trading floor like a tidal wave. The gold market went into a complete free fall. In a matter of minutes, the price of gold plummeted from $160 to $135. Gould and Fisk's plan? Totally ruined. But the damage was done. The sudden crash wiped out countless investors, speculators, and even innocent businesses who were caught in the crossfire. This day became forever known as Black Friday, not for shopping deals, but for the day the U.S. gold market was nearly brought to its knees by two greedy men. It was a chaotic and sobering reminder that even in the past, financial markets were anything but boring. This event led to major reforms and is a fascinating footnote in American history. Want to uncover more wild and crazy stories that shaped our world? Hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.